So let's start by one of the key aspects that is important to understand when looking at data acquisition, which is whether you should work with a digitizer or an oscilloscope. So this table here is trying to illustrate the key difference. So if we look at oscilloscope first, usually they're used for design and debug requirements with quite large needs and requirements. And in many cases, these requirements are not clear from the beginning or from the time of purchase of the oscilloscope. So most generally, you'll find them in standalone format, easy to use solution that focus on quick configuration and display of the measurement results. On the other hand, digitizer usually are single use case. So the user set the digitizer configuration according to their requirements, and then they're going to run the acquisition in this configuration with successive testing. So that means usually you're not going to a digitizer if you need to quickly and often switch between configuration. So you won't change number of channels often, for example. The benefits of digitizer are in terms of integration, more control into the acquisition, capability for real-time processing, and also support for faster successive testing. And I will illustrate these in the more technical part of the webinar. Another difference to consider is the fact that digitizer requires some form of host computer that they interface with, while oscilloscopes are generally a standalone solution with some exception, like USB oscilloscopes. So the key thing to remember on this aspect is digitizers are optimized for repetitive, fast measurements in integrated solution, while oscilloscopes are more geared toward measurement flexibility